Good morning, pre-K. Kind of morning. I wanted to reach out to families and kids and just kind of give you a tour for when we come back to school on Monday. So I'm here at the Dry Grove entrance on Fairchild Hall. Here is the Circle Drive that parents will pull up to, and then Lisa Kendall, Mrs. Gray, and then a few other adults here at Metcalf are going to be out here helping pre-K kids get out of the car. Parents are more than welcome to help unbuckle the 5-point harness, and then they're going to bring you inside, and I'm going to show you that part. So here we come inside. We're going to go through these double doors. So you can see the pre-K hallway over there. You will actually come in these doors here. And I know it's kind of dark in here, but you'll come through those doors. And then here is the pre-K hallway. Okay, and on the floor you see these black arrows over here by my foot, and those are the spaces that you're going to be sitting on. Parents, we are not using cubby spaces, but Mrs. Gray and I will be using those to store some of your child's items. So your child will not be out here grabbing things from their cubby space, but Mrs. Gray and I will be. Okay? So friends, when we come in, this is the entrance of our classroom, and you're going to come in, and I'm just going to show you a little bit of the classroom. All right, so over here we have some of our math manipulatives, and then we also have these small lap desks that we may use so that we're able to social distance when doing our work. We have our writing area and our bin area. So these are all of our individual bins that we use for sensory. We use to make some fine motor bins. This is our writing table. It does have a plexiglass in the middle here. And then this is for parents, just to kind of show you how we're trying to stay organized. This is all of our seating charts here with the map. And then we have our supervision schedule printed out, a map of where everyone's being dropped off, and then our specifics to preschool and kind of what those procedures look like. All right, here is our kitchen area. You can see that it's divided into two areas. That area over there is mainly going to be used for friends pretending with food and cooking. And then this section of kitchen is our baby section. So there's some baby dolls over there that they can use. This is part of our block area, and that's part of our block area too. And I'm actually going to move over here so you guys can see how this is set up. You see these small dots on the floor. One's there at the bottom, there's one in the back, and then there's one over by the dollhouse. We have divided our block area up into two separate shelving. So one shelf will be used for AM, one shelf will be used for PM, and then we will have bins on the floor that we actually separate out from those bins so that they're not all being touched, and then they'll be put into a clean bin after each child. So by the end of the day, we shouldn't really have any toys left, and they'll all be sanitized for the next day. This is our calendar area that you've seen a lot of. That's Mrs. Wargo's chair, and then just going to put this down so you can see a view of the tile space. So here's our tile space. We have for Monday morning for my red learners, we have all their bins out and where they're going to sit. And then we also have plastic partitioners on each table. We're working to get a pool noodle for this, but this way way the children can identify the tables. This is the green table with the green pool noodle. This is the yellow table with the yellow pool noodle. And then they're spaced out. We have a sink for washing hands here in the back. We have hand sanitizer, our paper towels, and then this is just kind of Mrs. Wargo and Mrs. Gray's workspace. Here is, I want to show you guys kind of what we have set up for washing hands. Here is our washing hands procedure, and then we also have this song choice board, and we've put some songs up there that are going to help us remember to wash our hands at least for 20 seconds. The Itsy Bitsy Spider, the Happy Birthday song, Old MacDonald Had a Farm, Baby Shark, or ABCs. Those are also interchangeable, so we can actually take these off and put new songs on. But that is what we have there. This is our art center. All of that will be kind of hands off to children at first, and we will pull what we need. This is our bathroom. We also have a washing hands procedure there to remind students. This bathroom will be cleaned by BSW workers also. So children will actually, we will fill the water bottles that were sent in, and then they will take them to their own space to keep them there for the day. This is our light table down here at the bottom. One friend will be able to play with that at a time. The other friend will be up here in the loft area reading books. There's no soft items up there. The couch is wipeable. We also have some hand sanitizer up here to use, and it is Velcro to the bottom. This is our calming down space. We use the zones of regulation, and I will touch more on that throughout the year. But I just wanted parents to feel comfortable that we do have these spots here on the ground, and they say positive things like never give up, be awesome, believe in yourself, have courage, learn something new. So those are fun. We also have this fine motor space, which will be a space that the kids can play with. There's lots of materials, but they'll be easy to clean because they can go into a laundry bag, and then we will put them in the dishwasher. Something I wanted to show my friends is in fine motor. I actually got this with some donation money. Well, we got lots of things with some donation money, but this is one of my favorites. I haven't even opened the package yet. But these are magnetic robots that the kids can build with and make different robots. So I'm super excited about this new toy. They just came in, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. All right, pre-K, we will also have snack when we are here at school, and you will have that in your own space. But I am so excited to see everyone on Monday. And then my friends that are remote learning, you guys are actually going to be projected up on this large screen behind me for this week so I can see you. And then the following week, I'm actually getting a monitor so that it can be closer to the space that I typically teach in, so I can see you clearly. So just know that even if you're home, you're not going to be missed because I'm going to have you on that giant screen. The door with all the hearts is Mrs. Wargo's office. The door over there holds a lot of supplies, and we're so thankful to have those supplies to be able to change those out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out, but overall, we've been so grateful for donations and just checking in to see if we need anything, and then also just the flexibility. So I can't wait to see everyone on Monday, and let's get started with this journey. I hope you have a great weekend. Take some time for yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye.